Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome toning workout for your biceps and triceps, sometimes called bat wings. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Starting with our first exercise, 30 seconds on the clock, all right? We have an overhead prayer press. So hands go up, prayer position, right above your head, and you're gonna press up. All right, really squeezing your biceps and your triceps here, and then coming back down and repeating, all right? And even though we're just working out our arms, our entire body is engaged, all right? We have a nice bend in the knee. Your rib cage is closed. Your butt and your tummy are tucked in, all right? We have our shoulders pushed away from our ears, all right? It's really easy to go like this, but go ahead. Nice, long, elegant neck, very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, release, very good, shake it out. Next, we have a front raise to 3 kickbacks, all right? So starting with your hands out in front of you, parallel to the floor, all right? We're gonna come back, 3, 2, 1, and then up again, all right? 3, 2, 1, up, very good. All right, and keeping a nice straight back, even if you go ahead and bend a little bit forward for those kickbacks, which I prefer to do, you don't have to. Personal preference, make sure you have a nice straight back, all right? So we're not arching, we're not rounded over. All right, nice straight back. Very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, release. Very good. Next, we have a mare favorite, monkey pumps, all right? Hands up to the side, 90-degree angle. We're bringing it up, squeeze, 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 down, and then forward together, palms facing together, squeezing that chest, and then repeat, all right? Every point you hit is in control, all right? 90-degree angle. In front of you, squeeze. Back to 90 degrees, up, squeeze those shoulders, squeeze those biceps, so they're your deltoids right here, and then coming down, squeeze, very good. Breathing, awesome job. Remember those posture cue points, bent knees, tucked in tummy, tucked in butt. Very good, push those shoulders away, and 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome job, finishing strong with some lateral pulses, hands out to the side, and then little ups and downs. Pulse, 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 pulse. Woo, you're really gonna feel this one, all right? But entire body's engaged, all right? Moving with intention. Awesome job, you got this. Push through, push through. Almost done, almost there. Good posture, tuck in that tummy. Quick arms, fast, fast, fast. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Wow, awesome job. Set 1, done and dusted. Take a second, grab some water, and we're gonna do set number 2. Alrighty, set number 2, starting with overhead prayer press, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, release, shake it out. Very good, moving to front raise and 3 kickbacks. And 3, 2, 1, very good, release, shake it out, monkey pumps, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Let go. Very good. Lateral pulses. Finish strong. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Celebrate. Feel the burn. Oh my goodness. Take a second. Get ready because we're not done. And we're going to crush set number 3 together. And 3, 2, 1, release, shake it out. Very good. Moving to front raise and 3 kickbacks. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release. Shake it out. Monkey pumps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Let go. Very good. Lateral pulses. Finish strong. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Celebrate. Alrighty, and that was it. 3 sets of your awesome workout for biceps and triceps. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, what videos you would like to see more of, where you're from, where you're tuning in from, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.